Come on, man. What I told y'all niggas, 2 months. 2 months. I'm coming for the top of the game, man. Yo. What's on with it, everybody? LB the Weld, man. We back in the building with it. You know what I'm saying? Best welder in the game, up and coming, you hear me? You know what I'm saying? Gonna speak it into existence every time, you feel me? But yeah, man, we back with another video. I know we ain't posting in a good little minute, you feel me? But we been grinding, man. We been hustling, we been grinding, man. We been on the grind for real, man. Like, we done got 2 bend tests, we done passed, got 2 more shirts underneath our belt, you know what I'm saying? It'll be the well, man. Youngest doing it out there, you feel me? But yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? We about to go and take a little shot of water, you know what I'm saying, for the growth, for the channel, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how YouTube feel about this water, you know what I'm saying? So you know. Yeah, man. Here's a little sip, you know, we sipping on that tequila, you know what I'm saying? We on that crown today, though. But yeah, man. I just been busy, really. I'm about to, if y'all watching the clip right now, that's a clip of me getting busy washing my bend test and shit like that, you know, washing the backing strip off, you know, if you're doing a bend test with a backing strip like I was. But, you know, it's a useful skill to have underneath your belt, know how to do it. You know, 9 times out of 10, if you had a testing facility or something like that, you know, I think they probably gonna wash the shit off their down self, you know, cut it their down self for you. But like I said, it's always a good skill to have underneath your belt and know how to do it. But yeah, man. But really, I've been, you know what I'm saying, lately, since the last time y'all done heard my voice and seen a video from me other than a reel that I done whipped up real quick on the fly. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all for checking out my reels and shit too. I don't know if they call them reels on YouTube. I think they call it shorts. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all showing me the love, you know what I'm saying? No lie, for real. But yeah, man, I've been messing with the TIG welding, you know what I'm saying, recently. You know, I've been fucking with that, you know. That's my new venture that I'm getting into, you know what I'm saying. LB the Weld, man, got all 4 processes underneath his belt now, you know what I'm saying, at 21 years old, you know. I stick, got the flux, we got the MIG, and now we got the TIG in the arsenal too, you know what I'm saying. So we a bad man now, you hear me? But we getting the final touches, tuning everything up, you know what I'm saying. But today, as I'm making this video, this was my 3rd day touching the TIG torch. And, you know, I feel pretty, you know, I just got to learn how to grab and grip it better, you know, especially with them thin-ass TIG gloves. I be burning up my hand and shit. I need a TIG finger, you know, but, yeah, man. But I just been on the grind lately, man. You know, I just been going to school, you know, putting in the work. You know what I'm saying? I go to work. I work at, you know what I'm saying, Pilot, you know what I'm saying, travel center, truck stop, you know what I'm saying, whatever the hell you want to call it. But yeah, man, I be putting in that work, man, you know. I drive about an hour to get to school and an hour to get back home, you know what I'm saying. I live in South Carolina. I school all the way up in Savannah, Georgia and shit, you know what I'm saying. So, it should be a lot, man. I don't be really posting and shit as much as I should, but I'm gonna get back on it, you know what I'm saying. I'm looking to get a camera, you know, not a camera, but like a fixed shade lens, so I could, you know what I'm saying, get y'all some art shot videos so y'all could really see what the hell I'm doing and what I got going on, besides just me standing there fucking doing whatever and y'all see the bright ass light. I want y'all to see, you know, the actual art and what the hell I'm doing with the weld puddle and how I'm making the weld that I'm making, you feel me? But yeah, man, I feel like I done rambled on enough. Y'all figured out, you know what I'm saying, where I've been at, you know what I'm saying. LB been on the grind, that's where I've been at, you feel me? I've been putting work into my damn truck and shit, you know what I'm saying. That piece of shit, I was about to sell it at first, you know what I'm saying. I didn't put about $500-600 into that fucker, you know what I'm saying. But she finally working right now, you know what I'm saying. But at first I was like, I think I better let it go, you know what I'm saying. But nah, I ain't let it go though, you know what I'm saying. I held on to it. You know what I'm saying? We didn't got it right. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to, you know what I'm saying, my grandpa. You know what I'm saying? My dog Keith. You know what I'm saying? The best mechanic in the USA. You hear me? He done showed me everything I need to know. You know what I'm saying? To get my baby Blue Ivy running. You know what I'm saying? That's the name of my truck. You know what I'm saying? I hope Jay-Z don't sue me or nothing. I hope he don't watch this video. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. He just showed me everything I know to get my truck running how she need to be. The newest running old school in South Carolina, you hear me, in the whole state, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, shout out my dog Pops, you know what I'm saying? He the best mechanic in the whole USA, man. I'm grateful for everything that he showed me, you know what I'm saying, to get my shit running. I ain't never be the world, man. I ain't never seen no shop. I ain't never seen no take 5 and none of that shit for y'all to fucking my oil change seat, you know what I'm saying? Oh, you need a cabinet filter, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This wrong. Nah, man. It'll be well, man. Do everything in the yard, you know what I'm saying? Shout out my dog Pops, you know what I'm saying? For real, all love, man. But yeah, man, I done rambled on enough. Enjoy this little footage of me washing off my back and strip for my bend test with both of them, for my flux and my stick. But I hope y'all enjoy this video, and always leave in the comment section on videos and ideas and shit that y'all just want to see me do. But yeah, man, as always, stay blessed. Don't let these hoes make you stress. This will be the weldman. Yeah, man.